Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's everything? Today, we are going to talk about weird people. But weird in what way? There are different levels of being weird. Let's learn how to describe these people. Here we go. Number 1, weirdo. Weirdo. W-E-I-R-D-O. W-E-I-R-D-O. A weirdo is a person who is strange or does unusual things. They are different from others, but not in a scary way. Examples: That guy eats pizza with a spoon. Total weirdo. That guy eats pizza with a spoon. Total weirdo. He wears a winter coat in summer. What a weirdo. He wears a winter coat in summer. What a weirdo. He wears socks on his hands. Such a weirdo. He wears socks on his hands. Such a weirdo. Number 2, creep. Creep. C-R-E-E-P. C-R-E-E-P. A creep is someone who makes others feel uncomfortable or unsafe. They are strange in a bad way. Examples: That guy keeps staring at me. He's a creep. That guy keeps staring at me. He's a creep. I don't want to be alone with him. He gives me the creeps. I don't want to be alone with him. He gives me the creep. The word creepy is an adjective. C-R-E-E-P-Y. C-R-E-E-P-Y. You can use it like this. He was following me home last night. So creepy. He was following me home last night. So creepy. Number 3, pervert. Pervert. P-E-R-V-E-R-T. P-E-R-V-E-R-T. Or perv. P-E-R-V. Perv. P-E-R-V. It's a short form. A pervert is a person who acts or thinks in a bad way about sex. This is the most serious level. For example, on the MRT. Hey, that guy is watching something nasty on his phone. Ew, what a disgusting pervert. Hey, that guy is watching something nasty on his phone. Ew, what a disgusting pervert. Or at the gym. Hey, that guy keeps looking at girls while they work out. Ew, what a pervert. Someone should report him. Hey, that guy keeps looking at the girls while they work out. Ew, what a pervert. Someone should report him. Here is an easy way to remember. Weirdo. Strange but not dangerous. Creep. Strange and it makes you feel unsafe. Pervert. Sexually bad person. This is the worst. Final advice from Diana. If someone or some place makes you feel creepy, trust your feelings. Be aware. Stay alert. Stay away. Protect yourself and stay safe. Alright, time for mini review. Number 1, weirdo. Weirdo. He eats pizza with a spoon. Weirdo. He eats pizza with a spoon. Weirdo. Number 2, creep. Creep. That guy keeps staring. So creepy. That guy keeps staring. So creepy. Pervert. pervert. He's a pervert. Report him. He's a pervert. Report him. That's all for today. Hope you like this episode. See you next time. Bye bye.